Hi, this is Larry Fobbs calling from Tonawanda, New York. Thank you very much for visiting my webpage, LarryFobbs.com. So today what I would like to talk about is what type of strategy do you have for your business? If you're online or offline marketer, I mean, what's your plan? How are you going to do it? Because as you know what they say, if you don't have a plan, then you're planning to fail. So what I would like to do is introduce you to this system that is very good as far as plans, tools, and what have you. And so you'll say to yourself, well, now how are you going to do it? Are you going to do a pay-per-click? Are you going to do Twitter? Are you going to do classifieds? I mean, how are you going to do it? What do you have in mind? And then what if you say, okay, well, you're going to buy leads, okay? All right, because leads, that's how you're going to get your prospects. But then I would want to ask you, okay, well, who are you going to buy those leads from? Is it a reputable company? Do you know them? It's because often we hear that the leads that people are buying, the company already sold them to someone else. So that means by the time you paid all the money for those leads and you call the person up, then it's, well, someone already contacted me. But see, then it's too late. You already spent the money. So it's okay to buy leads, but make sure you're buying the correct ones. Okay, and then what type of leads are they? And so I would say you would want to make sure that they're laser target leads, meaning that they're leads based upon what niche you're in. Are you selling health products? Are you selling beads, furniture, car, real estate, whatever you're selling, whatever you're promoting? Is that the type of leads that you're buying? Because sometimes you'll find out, okay, you bought some leads and you call the person up and they say, well, okay, well, I want me to sign up because this company, say like a Home Depot or whatever, they had this coupon situation where if I were to sign up, then I can get this free, item. So here it is, you bought this lead thinking that, oh yeah, when the person signed up, they specifically are looking for this product that you're offering. So those are just some of the things you want to, be aware of when you, buy leads. So the bottom line is, okay, what type of strategy you have? What's your plan? So the system that I would like to introduce you to is it's called My Lead System Pro. Very, very good system, time tested, and it also has a blueprint. So it doesn't matter what niche you're in. If you want to do article marketing, if you want to do blogging, if you want to do pay-per-click, you name it, they have it. And they have the tools to show you and train you how to use it. Because you probably have an idea. Say you want to sell flowers, but you're not sure how to go about it. And so if you get on board, you'll be linked up with a mentor who will specialize in your niche, and they would help you and give you the training that you need. And also, what you'll be introduced to a mastermind, and that's a large group of entrepreneurs similar to yourself. And so you don't have to be alone. You don't have to recreate the wheel all by yourself. So that's the great thing about it that I really love about it, is because I can get online, post a question to the group saying, okay, I'm not sure how to, when I put my squeeze page together, how should I have it? Should I have it letters in red, gold, blue, get some ideas and bounce back, like that. And that way, for sure, someone would chime in and say, oh yeah, I did the same ad, this is how I did my squeeze page, be sure to do it this way and that way, and then put it online, and then next thing you know, you're going to start getting leads. And so that's the great thing about it. You'll never be alone. So once again, thank you again for stopping by LarryFobbs.com. Oh yeah, and by the way, as you can see, this is the canal, Erie Canal. And I often come out here is because once my system, I got it up and running, I'm able to invest most of my time in doing the things that I really love. So once again, thank you again for coming on board. We'll see you at the top. And be sure to click on this link, is because that's how you can access the My Lead System Pro program. 2-week trial. You can test it out and see if it's for you. Okay, see you at the top.